Hi everyone, good morning all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy, and welcome to Kala Mandir live show. This is Radhika. As you all know, our Kala Mandir sarees are very genuine in price and we never compromise with our quality. There are two simple ways to shop with Kala Mandir. In the description, you'll be providing with all these saree links. Click on your favorite saree code, it will direct to our website and makes your shopping very simple. Or else, take screenshot while I'm showcasing the sarees of your favorite saree code along with your saree code and share us on 9852985299. Cash on delivery option is available and shipping is free all over the India. And today our collection is semi-pattu sarees with flat 30%. Let's begin our show. Let me talk about the saree which I am wearing now, which is in a beautiful combination blue and pink color. All over body you can see beautiful floral brocade. Nice weaving, and coming to the border, contrast zari border with beautiful floral jal, and coming to the pallu, it's contrast rich pallu all over zari weaving with beautiful design, and coming to the blouse, it's contrast blouse with self embossed design. Let me show you pricing details of the saree. Here comes the saree code AZ290. Actual price is 3,799 and offer price is wow, it's 2,660 only. To purchase this lovely bright color saree, take screenshot now along with the saree code and share us on 9852985299. Let's move on to next saree. Wow, perfect traditional combo. Green and red color. All over body you can see beautiful floral jal, heavy floral jal with zari weaving and thread weaving as well. It's a combo. And coming to the border, contrast zari border with paisleys and floral jal, and pallu contrast with zari woven all over. And let me show you the blouse. It's contrast blouse all over self embossed diamond design along with the border. Let's check out pricing details. Here comes the saree code AZ306. Actual price is 3,799 and after 30% of discount it is 2,660 only. Such a reasonable price, and pattu sarees are all of our favorite, right? So grab your favorite saree. Stay tuned to this live show. I'm coming up with a lot of exclusive colors and different designs for you. Let me show you another saree. Wow, fabric is so soft. Awesome fabric with awesome design. We got a single color, pink color. All over you can see body, we got beautiful diamond designs with peacocks aligned. Coming to the border, contrast zari border with floral design and also diamond brocade. Beautiful border. And coming to the pallu, contrast rich pallu. For pallu we got a silver zari diamond design. It's like brocade. Beautiful pallu. Let me show you the blouse. Here comes the blouse. Self color blouse all over zari woven along with the border. Very heavy blouse design. Such a beautiful blouse design. Let me show you pricing details. Saree code AZ326. Actual price is 3,299. Wow, it's after discount it is 2,310 only. The saree is looking so heavy. You can opt this sarees for marriages and for heavy parties as well when you are going to temples as well. And with reasonable price from Kala Mandir, and fabric is too awesome, ladies, trust me, you're gonna like this saree. Let me show you another saree from Kala Mandir. Wow, this is also awesome. Gold and magenta color combination, very different combination. All over body you can see silver zari and golden zari combination with diamonds and peacocks aligned. And coming to the border, we got a medium border, half with diamond brocade and half with floral jal. Contrast border. Coming to the pallu, contrast rich pallu with silver zari brocade design. and this saree pattern is same like previous one. And here comes the blouse. Contrast blouse all over, heavy zari open along with the border. Such a nice blouse. Yes, let me show you pricing details. Saree code AG321. Actual price is 3,299 and after discount it is 2,310 only. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Oh, this is also pattern same. We got one more color. Gold and orange color combination. Body zari by zari diamond design with peacocks and circle florals aligned. Coming to the border, half with diamond brocade and half with we got heavy floral zal. Pallu, contrast rich pallu with silver zari brocade design. Very different combination. And let me show you the blouse. Here comes the blouse with heavy zari woven along with the border. Let's move on to pricing details. Here comes saree code AG343. Actual price is 3,299. Offer price is 2,310 only. Okay, hope you all like this pattern. We got 3 colors in this pattern. Let's move on to another pattern. Wow, blue and pink color combination. All over body you can see beautiful zari weaving floral. It's floral brocade on the body. And here comes the border. Contrast zari border with floral design. Pallu, contrast rich pallu with zari woven all over. And let's check out the blouse. Here comes the blouse, contrast blouse all over, self-embossed floral design along with the border. Let me show you pricing details. Saree code AZ300. Actual price is 3,799 and offer price is 2,660 only. Such a reasonable price. You can grab this heavy looking sarees. Stay tuned ladies, I'm coming with a lot of exclusive colors and also vibrant designs. And ladies, while purchasing, if you are facing any issues, drop a message on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Our customer support team will get back to you and communicate with you and resolve all your issues. Let's move on to another lovely saree from Kalamandir. Yes, in the same pattern, we got one more lovely and trendy color, green and blue color. Body with floral brocade. And coming to the border, contrast with zari. And contrast rich pallu, zari woven all over brocade. And here comes the blouse. Contrast blouse with self-embossed florals along with the border. Such beautiful combination. Green and blue color. It's always trendy and classic as well. Let me show you pricing details. Saree code AZ299. Actual price is 3,799 and offer price is 2,660 only. To purchase this lovely saree, take screenshot along with the saree code and share us on 9852985299. And we got one more color and the same pattern. Let me show you. We got such beautiful combinations in this pattern. Here comes red and dark blue. Red in pattu sarees, red color has its significance, right ladies? All of our favorite. And pattern is same body, we got floral brocade. Coming to the border, it's zari border with floral zal, contrast. And pallu, contrast rich pallu all over, floral brocade. And blouse design. Here comes the blouse.
హాయ్, నేను మీ మీనావాసు. మీ ఇంట్లో ప్రతి ఒక్క అకేషన్కి కళామందిర్లోనే షాపింగ్ చేయండి. వెరీ ఫ్రెండ్లీ అండ్ బడ్జెట్ షాపింగ్ అండి. ఆన్లైన్లో కూడా అందుబాటులో ఉంది. డూ ఫాలో ఇన్స్టా కళామందిర్ ఫ్యాషన్స్, యూట్యూబ్ అండ్ ఫేస్బుక్ కళామందిర్. కళామందిర్ షోరూమ్స్ కర్ణాటక, తెలంగాణ, ఆంధ్రాలో ఉన్నాయి. నమస్తే.
We got for the border, and here comes the pallu, contrast rich pallu all over, zari florals, heavy zari florals. And let's check out the blouse. This lovely sari print over this blouse design. It's contrast blouse with self-imposed floral motifs, also with the border. Such a lovely combination. Let me show you pricing details of the sari. Sari code AG301. Actual price is 3,799 and offer price is 2,660 only. To purchase this lovely combination of sari, take screenshot along with the sari code and share this on 985298599. And know enough with the collection, you want to visit this collection directly and feel the fabric. You can also visit our stores which are located in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. Let's move on to another lovely sari from Kalamandir. Wow, in the same pattern, we got one more lovely combination, parrot green and pink color combination. This combination is also very classic. Body with floral brocade along with the thread weaving and zari weaving. Border, we got a medium border contrast with paisleys and florals on. Zari border, contrast rich pallu all over, floral brocade. And let me show you the blouse. Here comes the blouse, contrast blouse with self-imposed floral booties along with the border. You can customize this blouse in your own style. Let me show you pricing details of the sari. Sari code AZ303. Actual price is 3,799 and offer price is 2,660 only. Yes, to purchase this lovely sari, take screenshot along with the sari code and share this on 9852985299, or else sari code will be there in the description. Click on that, it will direct the website from where you can shop very easily. Please stay home and shop online. Let's move on to another semi-pattu sari. We are showcasing semi-pattu saris. Wow, here we got different patterns. Here we got very different pattern with beautiful combination sea green and magenta color combination, very different. Body zari by zari floral zal we got, and coming to the border with diamond brocade and also paisley zal. Border different, it's so lovely. And coming to the pallu, contrast floral brocade pallu. And here comes the blouse, contrast heavy zari woven blouse. You need not to customize this blouse design is already heavy and it gives you stunning look. Let me show you pricing details of the saree. Saree code AG317, actual price is 3,299, offer price is 2,310 only. Let's move on to another lovely saree. We got one more color in the same pattern, very beautiful, parrot green and magenta. Body zari by zari floral zal with thread weaving and zari weaving combination. And border, wow, I love this border, very different design, looking so heavy. Half with diamond brocade and half with paisley zal. And pallu, contrast floral brocade pallu. And here comes the blouse, zari woven blouse along with the big border. Let me show you pricing details of the saree. Saree code AZ335, actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. For more collections and updates, you can follow us on Instagram Kalamandir Fashions, Facebook Kalamandir and YouTube Kalamandir. And do not forget to click on the bell icon. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be getting notified whenever we upload new videos and short videos as well. Let's move on to another lovely saree from Kalamandir. Wow, this saree fabric is also so soft. I'm feeling so light. Here comes the beautiful combination peach and purple color. In Pattu sarees, I have never seen such combination. This is also very different. And all over body, zari by zari, floral zal, circle florals, you can see. And coming to the border, contrast rich border, heavy paisleys. And here you can see khadi border. Such a beautiful border design. And coming to the pallu, contrast rich pallu. Wow, this pallu design is so different. We got paisleys aligned in blocks, looking so heavy. And let me show you the blouse. I'm excited to check blouse design. Here comes the blouse. Wow, contrast blouse all over, self-embossed florals along with the border. Such a beautiful blouse design, beautiful combination. Yes, you want to grab this saree? Let me show you saree code. Saree code AG345. Actual price is 3,299 and offer price is actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. Yes, such a lovely combination, especially I love this combination. You want to grab this saree, take screenshot. 90 at the same floral border, heavy border, parrots and peacocks combination with paisleys, heavy zari woven, and this side you can see khadi, rich So visit our website and we got combination body, you can see zari by zari floral weaving contrast heavy border with paisleys, parrots and peacocks aligned in that, and contrast rich pallu with paisleys aligned in blocks. Pallu design, we got very different pallu design. Saree code AZ336, actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Stay tuned ladies, we are showcasing semi pattu sarees at flat 30%. Very budget friendly, heavy looking sarees. You can opt the sarees for heavy parties when you are going to temples and for puja programs as well. Sarees are so awesome, fabric is too good. Okay, let's move on to another lovely saree. Don't miss this offer ladies, stay tuned to a live show. Okay, have a look at this beautiful combination, gold and purple color combination. All over body you can see beautiful design, diamond design with zari heavy border, zari khadi border, and also with peacocks aligned and paisleys combination. And pallu also contrast rich pallu with floral brocade. Such a beautiful saree. Okay, let's get back to the some more semi pattu sarees. In the same pattern, we got one more color. Let me show you. Wow, the saree and this pattern fabric is so soft. Here we got one more beautiful combination, teal and magenta color. Very different. All over body you can see zari by zari florals, all circle florals, and coming to the border we got very heavy border, contrast zari with peacock and floral design, and also with the zari khadi. Edge is highlighted with plain contrast. And coming to the pallu, contrast rich pallu all over, heavy paisleys aligned in blocks. And here comes the blouse. Contrast blouse with self-embossed florals along with the heavy border. Let's check out pricing details of the saree. See, a beautiful pattern. Fabric is so soft ladies. I'm pretty sure you're going to like this saree. Don't miss this. And here comes the saree code AG342. Actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. To purchase this lovely saree, take screenshot along with the saree code and share it on 9852985299. Or else click on the saree code which is in the description. It will direct our website and makes your shopping very simple. Let's move on to another color combination in the same pattern. We got a lot of color combinations in this pattern. Orange and blue color. All over body you can see circle florals with thread weaving and zari weaving. And border, contrast rich border with parrots and floral zal. We got a medium heavy border, contrast one. Pallu, I love this pallu design, contrast with heavy tassels aligned in blocks. And here comes the blouse. Heavy blouse. I love this blouse design as well. Contrast with self-embossed florals along with the border. Let me show you pricing details of the saree. Here comes the saree code AG319. Actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. Let's move on to another lovely pattern. Wow, this pattern is also so different. We got a parrot green and blue color combination. Body with floral brocade all over. Heavy floral brocade. Looking so grand. And coming to the border. Contrast medium border with floral jal and also peacock's design with thread weaving and zari weaving as well. And pallu, it contrast rich pallu. Brocade pallu. All over paisleys and zari weaving. And let me show you the blouse. Here comes the blouse, contrast rich blouse with self-embossed diamonds design and also with the border. Such a beautiful combination. To grab this saree, let me show you saree code. Here comes it is AG308. Actual price is 3,799 and offer price is 2,660 only. We are showcasing semi-pattu sarees at flat 30%, ladies. Grab this beautiful offer. Quality is too awesome and we are showcasing different patterns. And by the way, how is the collection coming to us? Let's move on to another lovely saree. Cash on delivery option is available and shipping is free all over the India. Yes, in the same pattern we got one more bright combination, that is pink and blue color. All over body you can see heavy floral brocade. Contrast zari with peacocks and floral design. Medium border, contrast rich pallu with zari weaving all over. We got paisleys design and this beautiful saree painted with a contrast blouse with self-embossed design and also with the border. Let's check out pricing details. Such a lovely combination, very bright combination, pink and blue. Here comes the saree code AG304. Actual price is 3,799. And after 30% of discount, it is 2,660 only. To follow on our collections, you can also join our WhatsApp group. Link is provided in the description. Click on that, join our WhatsApp group and continuously get updated with our latest collections. Here comes one more color combination in the same pattern, mustard yellow and dark blue. This is also very classic and trendy. Body with heavy floral brocade with zari weaving. Coming to the border, contrast zari with peacocks and floral design. Contrast rich pallu. All over heavy zari woven. And here comes the blouse. Self-embossed blouse, contrast one along with the border. Let me show you pricing details. Saree code AG305. Actual price is 3,799 and offer price is 2,660 only. And this pattern for all sarees price is same. Let's move on to another lovely pattern. Here comes one more pattern, pink and blue color. All over body floral brocade with zari weaving and also thread weaving as well. And here comes the border, contrast rich border, and here you can see heavy paisleys design. Here zari and floral brocade. And pallu, contrast rich pallu with florals aligned in curvy lines. A different pallu design. And let me show you the blouse. Contrast rich blouse all over, self-embossed brocade design and also with the border. Let me show you pricing details of the saree. Saree code AG294. Actual price is 3,799. Offer price is 2,660 only. Let's move on to another lovely pattern with different combination. Green and red color combination, very different combination. Parrot green and red color. Body with thread weaving and heavy zari weaving, also silver zari weaving. Floral zal, looking so heavy. And Border, contrast border with paisleys and floral zal and also khadi. Pallu, contrast rich pallu, diamond design. And here comes the blouse, contrast blouse with self-embossed diamond brocade along with the border. Let me show you pricing details of the sari. Here comes the sari code AG312, actual price is 3,799 and offer price is 2,660 only. To purchase this lovely sari, take screenshot along with the sari code and share us on 9852985299, or else sari code will be there in the description. Click on that, it will direct our website and makes your shopping very simple. Let's move on to another lovely pattern. Wow, here we got a very classy combination, mustard yellow and dark blue. All over body, circle florals and also peacocks aligned in heavy checks. This design is so detailed. Have a close look. And coming to the border, contrast rich border with floral zal and also brocade. And pallu, contrast rich pallu, floral brocade pallu. And here comes the blouse, contrast blouse with self-embossed floral booties and also with the border. Let me show you pricing details of the sari. Such a beautiful combination. Grab this beautiful combination sari, ladies. Here comes the sari code AG311. Actual price is 3,799 and offer price is 2,660 only. Okay, once have a glance at this beautiful pattern that I have showcased previously.
హాయ్, నేను మీ మీనావాసు. మీ ఇంట్లో ప్రతి ఒక్క అకేషన్కి కళామందిర్లోనే షాపింగ్ చేయండి. వెరీ ఫ్రెండ్లీ అండ్ బడ్జెట్ షాపింగ్ అండి. ఆన్లైన్లో కూడా అందుబాటులో ఉంది. డూ ఫాలో ఇన్స్టా కళామందిర్ ఫ్యాషన్స్, యూట్యూబ్ అండ్ ఫేస్బుక్ కళామందిర్. కళామందిర్ షోరూమ్స్ కర్ణాటక, తెలంగాణ, ఆంధ్రాలో ఉన్నాయి. నమస్తే.
Okay, back to this beautiful semi-pattu sari. We have seen this pattern. I have showcased you mustard yellow and blue color combination. Here comes one more lovely combination, green and blue color. Body with floral brocade all over, circle florals and peacocks aligned in heavy checks. And border, contrast medium border with heavy floral zal and also brocade design. Contrast rich pallu with brocade design. Here comes the blouse, contrast blouse with self-embossed floral booties and also with the border. Let me show you pricing details. Wow, I love this pattern. My eyes are going on this. Gold and blue color combination, very different, looking so trendy. All over we got silver zari, Vaseline star. And coming to the border, contrast zari with floral design. All over, khadi and heavy floral zal. And pallu, contrast rich pallu with brocade. And here comes the blouse. Zari woven blouse along with the border. Such a beautiful combination. Let me show you pricing details of the sari. This sari fabric is also very soft. And here comes the sari code AG318. Actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. Such a beautiful and lovely sari ladies, coming up. It's a festival season, so grab your favorite sari to get late. Okay, let's move on to another lovely combination in the same pattern. We got a gold and red color combination, looking so heavy. All over body with silver sari, Vaseline style. Coming to the border, heavy border, contrast with zari kadi and heavy floral zal. And coming to the pallu, contrast rich pallu with brocade design. We got a very detailed design for the pallu, pasties in a leaf design. Zari woven blouse along with the border. Let me show you pricing details. Sari code AG315. Actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. To purchase this lovely sari, take screenshot along with the sari code and share this on 9852985299. Still, I am coming up with vibrant designs and also exclusive color combinations and semi-pattu saris, ladies. Don't miss this live show. Stay tuned. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Wow, in the same pattern we got one more different combination, gold and maroon color. Body zari by zari floral zal with silver zari combination, and coming to the border, heavy floral zal and also khadi, contrast border, contrast rich pallu with brocade design, leaves in a cross checks. Here comes zari woven blouse, looking so heavy along with the border. Here comes the beautiful blouse along with the border. Let me show you pricing details of the sari. Here comes the sari code AG316. Actual price is 3,299 and after discount it is 2,310 only. Wow, such a beautiful heavy looking sarees at such a reasonable prices, ladies. Don't miss this lovely offer from Kalamandir. Let me show you another lovely saree. Wow, here we got one more different pattern. Gold and blue color combination with green shade. All over body zari by zari floral design. And coming to the border, contrast zari border with pastel and floral design. Wow, such a beautiful and detailed design for the border. And contrast rich pallu all over. Diamond brocade, and let's check out the blouse. This beautiful saree paid up with a contrast blouse with heavy zari woven along with the border. Let me show you pricing details of the saree. Saree code AG314. Actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. Yes, to purchase, take screenshot now. Why wait? And share us on 9852985299. Let me share another lovely saree. Here also we got different pattern. Gold and maroon color combination. All over body you can see beautiful floral design. And border, contrast zari border with pastel and floral design. And contrast rich pallu, brocade pallu. We got diamond brocade. Wow. Contrast zari woven blouse along with the border. I love this blouse. Looking so heavy. You need not to customize this blouse. Let me show you pricing details of the saree. Saree code AZ313. Actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. And ladies, while purchasing, if you are facing any issues, drop a message on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. A customer support team will get back to you and assist you to resolve all your issues, so you need not to worry for that. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Oh, this is also very different pattern. We got gold and dark blue color combination. Wow, design is so royal. All over body you can see with thread weaving and silver saree weaving, floral booties. And border, we got a very heavy border with thread weaving and zari weaving, peacock, spade and also florals. And here you can see golden zari, khadi. Pallu, contrast rich pallu with brocade, pastel brocade, aligned in cross checks. And let's check out the blouse. This saree paired up with a contrast blouse with heavy zari weaving and also with the border. Very different blouse design we got for the saree. Let me show you pricing details of the saree. Here comes the saree code AZ327. Actual price is 6,499 and offer price. Saree code AZ327. Actual price is 6,499 and offer price is 4,550 only. Very reasonable. Such a heavy looking saree. Beautiful saree. It's a beautiful offer from Kala Mandir. We are showcasing semi patu sarees at flat 30%. And still different exclusive color combinations and different patterns are waiting for you, so don't miss this offer. And let's move on to another lovely pattern. Wow, sea green and pink color combination with silver zari weaving combination. Body with heavy floral zari and coming to the border, very heavy border, cross khadi with silver zari and also floral zari. Here comes the rich pallu, contrast rich pallu with golden zari weaving brocade design. Here comes the blouse, contrast blouse with diamond brocade and also with the border. Very different border we got for the blouse. Let me show you pricing details of the saree. Saree code AG346. Actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. 99 and offer price is 2,310 only. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Kalamandir, we are so very beautiful and I love this combinations and I love this patterns as well. Fabric is so soft. You can opt the sarees for marriages, for heavy parties as well. So don't miss this lovely offer from Kalamandir. Cash on delivery option is available and shipping is free all over India. Let's move on to another saree. Wow, here we got one more lovely pattern, parrot green and pink color, all over body, heavy floral and checks. Contrast zari border with floral design. Contrast rich pallu with heavy florals. And here comes the blouse, contrast blouse with self-embossed floral booties and also with the border. Let me show you pricing details of the saree. Here comes the saree code AG295. Actual price is 3,799 and offer price is 2,660 only. And we got one more color combination in the same pattern. Let me show you. Wow, very light yellow and pink color, looking so pleasant. Body with floral brocade and checks. Contrast border, zari border with floral design. Beautiful weaving and contrast rich pallu, all over heavy florals. And let me show you the blouse. Here comes the blouse, contrast rich blouse all over floral goodies with self-embossed design and also with the border. Let's check out pricing of details of the saree. Saree code AG291. Actual price Very different pattern with classic combination. Cream and dark blue. All over body you can see beautiful florals are with thread weaving and zari weaving as well. And here comes the border, half with diamond brocade and half with pastel zari, and contrast rich pallu with silver zari weaving brocade design. And here comes the blouse, contrast blouse with zari woven along with the border. Let's move on to pricing detail. Saree code AG330. Actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. Moving on to the next side. Wow, I love this pattern and combination as well. Orange and blue color, very different design. We got all over body. You can see heavy floral zal with thread weaving and zari weaving combination. Coming to the border, half with diamond brocade, half with florals. And here you can see cute temples on a contrast background. Very rich pallu with silver zari, floral brocade. And here comes the blouse contrast, zari woven blouse along with the border. Let's move on to pricing details of the saree. Saree code AZ333. Actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. Let's move on to the next side. Wow, I love this combination as well. Orange and light green color. All over body you can see thread weaving and silver zari weaving, heavy floral zal. And coming to the border, contrast rich border with brocade and florals, lotus flower, and contrast rich pallu with brocade design. And here comes the blouse, contrast blouse with zari woven with pastel design along with the border. Let me show you pricing details of the saree. Saree code AG328. Actual price is 6,499 and offer price is 4,550 only. Very reasonable. Such a heavy looking saree at such a reasonable price. Let me show you another color combination in the same pattern. Very pleasant. Yellow and pink color combination looking so classy. All over body with thread weaving, silver zari weaving, floral zal, heavy floral zal, and coming to the border, diamond brocade and pastries and florals. Contrast rich pallu with silver zari brocade design. And let me show you the blouse. Contrast blouse with zari woven along with the border. Let's move on to pricing details. Saree code AG332. Actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. Moving on to the next saree. Green and pink color, traditional combo. All over body, lotus florals, brocade design. Coming to the border, heavy pastries and florals. Contrast rich pallu with brocade design. Here comes the blouse, plain contrast blouse with the border. You can customize this blouse in your own style. Let me show you pricing details of the saree. Saree code AG297. Actual price is 3,799 and offer price is 2,660 only. In the same pattern, we got one more lovely color. Let me show you. Yes, it's our favorite combination, that is red and green color, body with florals and border contrast with heavy pastries. Contrast rich pallu brocade design, floral brocade we got for the pallu, and contrast plain blouse along with the border. Let me show you pricing details of the saree. Saree code AG309. Actual price is 3,799 and offer price is 2,660 only. To purchase this lovely saree, take screenshot along with the saree code and share us on 9852985299. Moving on to the next lovely pattern. Yellow and red color, looking so classy. Zari by zari florals are code AZ325. Actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. Moving on to the next side. Wow, this pattern is also very different with roses all over, pink and gold combination, all over thread weaving, floral, border, heavy border, contrast rich border, zari border and floral design, contrast pallu with silver zari brocade design, rudrakshas aligned in cross checks. Here comes the blouse, contrast blouse with heavy zari woven along with the border. Let me show you guys in details of the saree. Saree code AG320. Actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. Moving on to the next saree. Wow, here comes parrot green and red color combination all over body. You can see floral goodies. And coming to the border, wow, this border design is so different. Music theme we got for the border. Contrast border, contrast rich pallu, a floral brocade. And here comes the blouse, contrast plain blouse along with the border. Let me show you pricing details of this lovely saree. Saree code AG292. Actual price is 3,799 and offer price is 2,660 only. Wow. And I'm showcasing very different pattern. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this combination and pattern. Sea green and blue color combination. All over body zari by zari checks and peacocks aligned in that. Very beautiful. With gold and silver zari combination. Coming to the border, half with heavy pastel zal and half with khadi. And here comes the pallu, contrast brocade pallu. You got diamond brocade. Here comes self color zari woven blouse along with the border. Let me show you pricing details of the saree. Saree code AG324. Actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. In the same pattern, we got one more color. This pink color, all of our favorite. Body with peacocks aligned in checks. And coming to the border, contrast zari border with pastel zal and also khadi. And coming to the pallu, contrast rich pallu with diamond brocade. Here comes the blouse, self color blouse with zari woven all over along with the border. Looking so classic and trendy. We got a single color for this pattern. And here comes the saree code AG347. Actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. Wow, one more different pattern. Light green and blue color combination. Body zari by zari brocade design. Contrast zari border with paisleys and peacocks design. Contrast rich pallu. You got a mini blocks, very different pallu design. And for the blouse, we got zari woven along with the border. We got a self color blouse, such a beautiful. And here comes the saree code AG323. Actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. So we are not yet done. 3 more mannequin sarees are there. Let's have a look on that. Just now we have seen this pattern. We got one more color in this. It's a beautiful combination, pink and purple color. Looking so divine. All over body we got floral brocade and border with peacocks. And pallu with brocade design and also blouse with zari woven. Here comes the saree code AZ322. Actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. To purchase this lovely saree, take screenshot along with the saree code and share us on 9852985299. got red and gold color combination. Body with brocade, border with peacocks design. Pallu is also with zari woven and blouse also zari woven. Here comes the sari code AZ334. Actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. To purchase the sari, take screenshot along with the sari code and share us on 9852985299. Or else click on the sari code which is there in the description. It will direct the website and makes your shopping very simple. And here comes one more lovely combination in the same pattern. This pattern is looking so special. We got beautiful diamond brocade all over. Border with silver zari. For blouse and pallu, zari woven. Here comes the sari code AZ331. Actual price is 3,299 and offer price is 2,310 only. Just to purchase this lovely sari, take screenshot now along with the sari code and share us on 9852985299. So how was the collection, ladies? Hope you all liked. Today's a beautiful collection, semi patu sarees at flat 30%. Grab this beautiful offer from Kalamandir, ladies. Shopping process, it's very simple with Kalamandir. In the description, you'll be providing with all these saree links. Click on that, it will direct your website and makes your shopping very simple. Or else take screenshot along with the saree code and share us on 9852985299. Cash on delivery option is there and shipping is free all over the India. And after this live show, this videos will be saved on our IGTV Instagram and also on Facebook. You can follow there. Okay, hope you all enjoyed this beautiful collection. Grab your favorite saree. This is Radhika. Keep smiling. Bye-bye.
హాయ్, నేను మీ మీనావాసు. మీ ఇంట్లో ప్రతి ఒక్క అకేషన్కి కళామందిర్లోనే షాపింగ్ చేయండి. వెరీ ఫ్రెండ్లీ అండ్ బడ్జెట్ షాపింగ్ అండి. ఆన్లైన్లో కూడా అందుబాటులో ఉంది. డూ ఫాలో ఇన్స్టా కళామందిర్ ఫ్యాషన్స్, యూట్యూబ్ అండ్ ఫేస్బుక్ కళామందిర్. కళామందిర్ షోరూమ్స్ కర్ణాటక, తెలంగాణ, ఆంధ్రాలో ఉన్నాయి. నమస్తే.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.